Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. A researcher conducted a survey regarding the favorite subjects of the students. The following data were gathered. 84 students like algebra, 83 students like trigonometry, 83 students like statistics, 32 students like algebra and trigonometry, 37 students like statistics and trigonometry, and 46 students like algebra and statistics. Only 12 students like all three subjects. How many students were surveyed? Now, in order to solve this question, let's try to put this given information in a Venn diagram. Let this be the representation of 83 students who like trigonometry. So 83 trigonometry. Now this means that this entire circle is representing 83 students who like trigonometry. Now let this be the representation of 84 students who like algebra. Again, this entire circle is representation of 84 students who like algebra. Let this be the representation of 83 students who like statistics. So 83 statistics. Now according to question, 32 students like algebra and trigonometry. That means that this overlapped portion here, this is representing 32 students who like algebra and trigonometry. 32. Similarly, 37 students like statistics and trigonometry. So this overlap portion here is representing 37 students who like statistics and trigonometry. 37. 46 students like algebra and statistics. Again, this overlap portion here is representing 46 students who like algebra and statistics. 46. Now only 12 students like all three subjects. So that means that this portion where all three circles have overlapped is representing these 12 students who like all three subjects. So this here is 12. Now let's try to solve this question. How many students were surveyed? If I add 83, 84 and 83, that is trigonometry, algebra and statistics, all students, what I have done, I have added these three overlapped portions 3 times. Already in these numbers. So there is already 32 plus 37 plus 46 added here. So in order to cancel the extra 32, 37, 46, we'll have to subtract 32 minus 37 minus 46. Again, when subtracting these three, we have subtracted this part, and this part. So in these subtractions, we have subtracted this 12 3 times. So 12 has been subtracted one extra time because it's not been considered at all. In this, it was added 3 times, and in this, it was subtracted 3 times. But 12 has to be considered, so we'll have to add 12 here. Now the equation is balanced. This is equal to total number of students who were surveyed. Let's clean this up. Now let's calculate total number of students who were surveyed. So 83 plus 84 plus 83. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 is 25. So this is 250 minus 32 plus 37 is 69. 69 plus 46 is 9 plus 6 15. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. So minus 115 plus 12. So that is equal to 262 minus 115, which is equal to 741, 147. So total 147 students were surveyed. 147 students were surveyed. Let's see, answer is option D.